Hello guys, I just received this helper to put your knee, your socks, and I think it's pretty neat because I recently hurt my back, so I can get down so easily. So it has these two ropes so you can help it, and this is where you put your sock. So we'll take our sock, get it like this, and put it in this part, like that, just about here, like this. Extend it a bit so it's easier to put even, and it stays like this. So what you're gonna do, what I'm gonna do is put my feet right here, and slowly pull it up. The most difficult part is done. Now we just can get the little details like this, and it's done. So let's do the other side. Again, we'll take our sock, hold it between our legs, and put it, it's a bit of here, get all the way in. It's even more easy. This. Make sure that the sock is up this pad so it doesn't comes out, fall off the sock. Right there. I'll just use ropes, fit, center it right, just like that, still like that. It's done. Again, I just secure the fit and I'm ready to go. I really liked it. It's very useful. Like I said, I'm a bit hurt on my back, so I'll think I'll use it much these next weeks. Really recommend it.